Bernina 990. This video shows how to work with 4-point placement. Here is the scan of a drawn shape where the design will be placed. We're going to add a BQM quilting design, which is infinitely scalable. For better visibility, we can change the thread color of that design. It is recommended to resize the design to make it the approximate size of the shape on your fabric. Roughly center the design over the shape. Select pinpoint placement. Tap 4-point placement. Here you can zoom in for easier adjusting. The morph function is used to adjust quilt designs to fit a shape or a not perfectly square block. Simply select point after point and move it to the desired corner of the shape. The pinpoint laser makes precise positioning easy. For conventional EXP embroidery files, limited adjustment is possible to avoid the risk of compromising the embroidery quality. Fit can be used to place the design centered. We will stitch with the morph function. As you can see, the design is very close to the boundary. Activate margin spacing, and a distance will be automatically set between the bounding box and the embroidery design. The spacing can be cancelled by returning to default. The result is a perfectly fine-tuned quilt design in any 4-sided shape.
Bernina, made to create.